guys what I have here, a new delivery, and I'm really excited about this package. Well, you obviously know what's inside from the title, but yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, and here it is with my little knife. Let's get it open here. Oh, look at them. Wow, Apple really... Okay, we can get rid of the card box. It's really small. It's, you know, like a pack of a card game, like Uno, I believe, comes in something like this. It's really small packaging compared to the old Beats unboxing experience. Now, as we can see, here is a pull to open. Yeah, it's very Apple-like. Like we can see their influences all over. Okay, now here we pull this. Wow, I gotta say I love this packaging. It's so industrial, like minimalist. I don't know. Okay, so here is quick instruction how to charge. You know, the controls are basically identical as in old Beats headphones. Now we'll talk about it later, but those Beats charge with a USB-C, which is actually great. And here is yet another feature I want to talk later about. Basically auto pause when you like magnetically clasp them together. But look at those phones. Like this yellow Yuzui, strange yellow color. I call it Nike yellow. But okay, so obviously a USB-C charger, 10 minutes give you hour and a half, which should be enough for a gym workout. Okay, they already magnetically attached. Yeah, Beats. Here you have the batteries in those. Here you have the mic, the remote controller, volume rockers, the charging port, the on and off. And here we should have some paperwork for iOS and Android instruction. Now we have a Beats stickers, which is actually nice. Okay, so different size tips. We have 8 in total, the pre-installed ones and 3 additional sizes. So let's see how they work and how they look on person. Okay, here you can see them on my head, and as you can see, they are pretty decent. Like as far as I remember, the Beats X used to take more space. These are really sitting nice. If I would have a jacket, it would probably cover them even more to look natural. Yeah, they stay in the ear, and the yellow color is really subtle. I'm really quite digging them, actually. They don't look half bad, and obviously you can make a necklace out of them, you know. And they don't take up much space either. So now that we know what's in the box, let's talk about other things like the sound and are they really worth it. I mean, the last part, it's kind of easy for them, because for 49 bucks they are really competing with the cheapest earphones, but they provide so much more in terms of quality. And when it comes to the design, it's basically Beats X, but Apple didn't keep the previous design. They actually improved it, and it's really pleasant surprise, because I was worried that Apple would cut corners even more, make it, you know, less appealing to not be a competition for their AirPods. But apparently, yeah, the AirPods Pro are the new standard for Apple, because only they are better than those. Like regular AirPods, in my opinion, are worse still than this, and let me explain why. So while they keep the main design of Beats X, the small improvements include, for example, better battery life. The Beats Flex boost 12 hours of listening time on a single charge, which is amazing in my opinion. Like, this combined with the silicone tips and better noise isolation means that if you're planning a overseas flight, for example, like it's coming anytime soon, but when everything's fine and you will be on a plane trip, these will be so much better than regular AirPods. They will be able to isolate you from the exterior. You will be able to listen for the whole time to videos, to music, to everything you wish, and it's really great. Now another improvement actually is that the remote is removed from the cable to the battery pack itself, and this makes the cables more evenly weighted and therefore more stable in your ears when you're moving. I also think that the cables are a little shorter because they are not so obnoxious when I have them in my ears. They look actually, kind of better in my opinion. They seem thinner, and so the bigger battery life is actually even nicer with kind of smaller form factor. And now they are being charged via USB-C, as I mentioned before, which is interesting but a welcome change, because that makes those headphones perfect for Android users as well as iPhone users. And unlike AirPods, when you lose bunch of features, here you only lose the quick pairing, and yeah, you just have to pair them like classic Bluetooth headphones once, and you're good to go, and you have every single feature the same as on iPhone. Now when it comes to sound, these, despite being Beats, these are surprisingly not that bass heavy, actually, to the point that I had to add bass in the EQ app, so in the EQ settings, to make them sound better in my opinion, but that may be due to the fact that I was so used to Beats sound. Like I have the Beats Solo 3 here, and obviously Beats Solo 3 sound even better, but they are so inconvenient that I rather use those, and those are so much cheaper. Like the price is without a doubt the best features of them, but that doesn't mean that their features alone aren't good. Actually, when comparing to the regular AirPods Pro and these, I would place them exactly in the middle. Like they are, obviously AirPods Pro are still much better. They are like kind of perfect earphones, but these beat regular AirPods on almost every single aspect, except of being totally wireless, while cost 1/3 of the price, not including the wireless charging option. So yeah, they are really good. Now previously AirPods had another advantage, and it was the ear detection. When you pulled an AirPod out of your ear, the music would stop. With Beats X you could put them out of your ears and let them lay on your chest, but the music would continue unless you found the stop button on the remote. Now when they magnetically attach to each other, so basically when you pull them out of your ear, they find each other and connect, they'll auto-pause the music, which is super convenient, because it's not only music, it's when you're watching a Netflix video, for example, and somebody wants to talk to you, just do this and it pauses it. The same YouTube. It's a really convenient feature, because then you just pull them apart and resume listening. Super convenient, super simple, and it's really nice to see that Apple revisited in their cheapest headphones. Like you can clearly see that they put much effort and much research in those, and they are really well thought headphones, and they work with both iPhone and Android devices. So if you don't have a pair of wireless headphones yet, consider this. They are really super nice, super good deal. They would work with iPads, iPhones, with different stuff. Yeah, so grab a pair for your iPhone 12 if you're pre-ordering, or even for your iPhone SE if you just switched, Really good product from Beats and from Apple. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, found it informative. If you did, hit the like button, hit a subscribe, and hopefully see you guys in the next one. I already ordered a bunch of new Apple stuff, including iPad Air, so those videos are coming, and I will be pre-ordering iPhone 12 mini, and later I'm planning to switch to iPhone 12 Pro Max, so there will be in-depth video on that, possibly even HomePod mini, we will see. And in the meantime, have a nice day and stay healthy, stay safe.